Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change alternator Toyota Sienna 2008. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts, then remove the engine cover and loosen the drive belt tensioner. Inspect mounting bolts and electrical connectors before unbolting the alternator. Label wires and take photos for reassembly. Keep replacement alternator and new belt ready, and torque bolts to factory specs during installation for a safe, lasting repair. In this video, I will show how to change alternator Toyota Sienna 2008. First, relieve belt tension and carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley, keeping track of belt routing. Next, disconnect the main power cable and the plug connector, ensuring clips are released properly. Unfasten the top and bottom mounting bolts and lift the alternator out with steady pressure. Inspect the pulley and bracket for wear before fitting the replacement unit to ensure smooth operation. In this video, I will show how to change alternator Toyota Sienna 2008. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles dust and debris while you work, with voice control and smart mapping that saves time on cleanup. It's a handy shop buddy and worth considering if you hate sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change alternator Toyota Sienna 2008. Mount the replacement alternator and hand thread bolts to align, then torque to factory values in a cross pattern. Reattach the power cable and plug connector, then reinstall the serpentine belt and release the tensioner to seat the belt correctly. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and start the engine, checking charging voltage, and for unusual noises to confirm successful installation and proper belt alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.